Deleting Twitter search history is a pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will be showing you exactly how to do it. So first thing first, open up your Google Chrome, and in the Google Chrome search Twitter. So after you have searched Twitter, you will be redirected to the search engine where you will see the website of the Twitter. Just go and tap on the website of the Twitter which says twitter.com. So once you do it, you will be redirected to the Twitter. Make sure that you are logged in with your official account. Once you have done that, go to the search column on the top right corner. So here, all you have to do is to make some searches. So go ahead and search some random stuff. For example, I'm here searching YouTube, now cars. So you guys can see that I have made two more searches, and I already have two searches in the search history. So let's go back to the home and go to the search bar again. Here you will see four different searches. You can simply delete them by hitting the cross icon, or you can clear them all at once by clicking them clear all and then selecting clear option. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.